Jill, thank you very much for joining us. We'll get into a couple stocks in a moment. You have a macro view on the economy, the Fed, from what I just said. They sound a little worried, but I guess the good news is this taper is not going to happen for a while.
Good morning, Brian. It's great to see you as always. We think the taper could happen later this year. Rates may rise in the second half of 2022, but I want to emphasize our outlook, Brian. We favor equities. You and I have talked before that we're dip buyers or opportunistic buyers. This volatility we've seen in September has given us an opportunity to take cash that our clients have from business sales or liquidity events and put it in the market. We're investing for a post-recessionary environment. We like broad asset classes. We focus on 3Bs, broad asset classes, not necessarily favoring growth or value. We want a little bit of both. We're bond light. We think given where yields are, we need our clients, and where inflation is, we need our clients to have higher returns.
You know, we did a CNBC Pro event a few months ago. The guests love the stock. Dan Veru of Palisade Capital Management, he loves the stock, and that stock is Danaher, DHR. You love it as well. What is it about this company that has so many really smart people loving it, but maybe the market not giving it the love that it deserves?
Yeah, I think if you look at the underlying industries and companies and their end users, there's a lot of opportunity for Danaher to grow. So our equity analysts really like it. Again, we're looking for volatility so we can buy in not only to Danaher, but Booking is another company that we really like, of course, with consumer discretionary. And as we're having the great reopening, even if it's slowing a little bit now, given the virus resurgent, concerns about the Fed, inflation, whether it's persistent, it's a little bit stubborn right now, we think that there's still a lot of opportunity. And again, we're very optimistic overall in the equity market.
Yeah, and I foolishly watched most of the football game last night, which is why I look like this. But there was a commercial on, and I was like, where's this going? And it was for Prudential, PRU, and they're out there marketing, and they're aggressively going after clients. That is another stock that you like, but a company that obviously is out there aggressively lobbying for itself too.
Absolutely. And again, our equity analysts are looking at these stocks, looking to be opportunistic. And one thing I'd like to emphasize today, Brian, we're going to hear more information about taxes, hopefully coming on Monday. I think investors are nervous. I don't know that the market has priced in the corporate tax increases. So as we've seen such a great rise in our clients' portfolios, I think tax efficiency and taking gains is something that investors should be concerned about. We're certainly talking to our clients about that and taking gains when we may know what the rate is versus next year when the rates could be higher.